The Athira share price has recently taken a 40% haircut, but appears to be on the rise. If this trend continues, it could easily reach $17 to $18 in a fairly short amount of time. Be cautious though, as the share price could drop even further. However, in my opinion, the 40% drop in the share price was a complete overreaction. The share price dropped due to a scandal relating to the CEO. However, I do not believe this affects the value of this company, as the intrinsic value of the company should be based upon its lead drug candidate ATH-1017. Currently, the lead drug candidate is in a phase 2 to 3 trial, which is usually the final clinical trial. Results are expected early next year, and further results at the end of next year. Athira believes their drug will regenerate neurons as well as reduce latency. Athira believes their drug may even have the potential to reverse the neurodegenerative effects of Alzheimer's disease and repair the brain. This is a unique mechanism of action in comparison to other Alzheimer's drugs, such as Biogen's Aducanumab, which aim to prevent plaque buildup within neurons. Phase 1 trial data shows that the drug reduces latency to normal levels within Alzheimer's patients within just 8 days. This effect is more significant than that of the placebo, and almost all patients showed an improvement. The results seem quite impressive in comparison to other drugs. Athira is cashed out with over $200 million, so in my opinion there should not be too much downside risk to the share price. There is some analyst coverage on the stock, with analyst estimates between $30 and $40 within the next 12 months. Or if you're interested in holding this stock long term, the share price could potentially reach $1,000. Provided the drug is successful in clinical trials and is approved by the FDA. There is a large addressable market for Alzheimer's disease with very limited treatment options. And if you observe Biogen's price for Adhelm of up to $56,000 for a course of treatment, then you will see that the price of Alzheimer's drugs are quite high. Another thing to keep in mind is that due to the unique mechanism of ATH-1017, the drug may be used as a complementary medicine rather than an alternative to Adhelm. Not to mention treatment of other diseases in the future, such as Parkinson's, should this drug be successful in treating Alzheimer's disease. If Athira was to bounce back from the 40% drop, then it could be good for a quick 50% return. Or if holding Athira stock until the commercialization of its lead drug candidate, then returns in the order of, say, 10,000% might not be unrealistic. Or if clinical trials fail, then that could result in a complete loss of capital. However, in my opinion, the risk to reward ratio seems skewed in the favour of reward, so perhaps take a small position.